a woman fancies he has to fly away. So cute, baby. So cute.
We just have to go get her princess jewelry.
Well, Kayla has the purse to put it in now.
Oh no, she can't take that jewelry.
Her first shoes, Mama. Your first shoes. Let's put it on these walls.
Look for 12 months old.
Really? They look like they fit her fine.
Why they're light? Oh, they'll be like.
Jada, hand me that gift, please. Well, give it to your daddy, and the red one, give it to your auntie.
Oh, that one too is Nina's in the back, behind the tree.